Quick video, guys. I have just wrapped up filming here, and there is a fire going on over here, but I'm not sure if it's I'm thinking it might be a manhole fire. I don't see any house on fire. It smells like a manhole, I'll tell you that. It smells like electrical. Oh yeah, it is definitely a manhole fire. That's some really bad smoke right there. Yeah, you could see it right there in the corner there. So let's take a closer look. Let's see what's going on here. Yep, it is a manhole fire, guys. You could hear it. They have to shut the electricity off. They can't, there's really nothing you could do. Let's get up the block here. Let's get away from it. It smells really bad. You can hear that electricity arcing in there. You see them walking away. There's really nothing you can do for something like this. You have to. They have to shut the electricity off, so they block it off so that nobody walks near it. This is normal protocol. We've seen a lot of manhole fires in New York City over the years, so we know how it goes. See some of that green fire. Waiting to see if there's going to be like a big pop or something. Usually there's like a big pop. You know what it smells like? You remember those you remember snakes? Those little black things used to light on fire and then they would like grow. That's what it smells like. All right, guys. I think you've all seen enough. Manhole fire in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, on the corner of Bates and Benson. So, take care. Bye-bye.